biggest thing, honestly, as cliche as it sounds, is to just put some love into it. It truly makes a difference. Making a pie is a lost art because it takes a lot of time and some patience, which we don't tend to have a lot of these days. So be patient in the process, be patient with yourself, and have some trust and faith. I always say making and baking a pie truly is an act of faith because it's not like a cake or a batter thing like cookies or brownies that you can taste along the way or take a nibble or bake one and taste it. You don't really know where you're getting until you've done all the work and have a final product. So have a little patience, have a little faith in yourself, take the time, do the work, and just trust yourself, trust the recipe. And then also don't be afraid to reach out for help to other people that you know who bake pies, especially if you have like a grandma who's still alive or an aunt or your neighbor. There's a lot of great resources online these days. So if you're here, then you're at a good spot.